Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and let me show you how to apply night mode. First of all, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and at the top of the list you will notice light or dark dim. Just pick dark to apply it, and you can also schedule it if you want to. Just mark scheduled, and then use either this feature from sunset to sunrise, or you can click on custom and choose the custom hours. Let me go back. Here you can also change the brightness in this mode, and if you go to dark mode settings, you can also switch the colors. As you can see, you can use gentle, medium or enhanced, so it's truly black colors. You can also adjust wallpapers to dark dim, adjust icons, reduce contrast in low light conditions if you want to. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.